Hi there, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install Power BI. So let's head out to Google, right, download Power BI, and here we are going to click on the first link, and in this Windows website we can see different products, but we are going to download the Power BI desktop version, which is free. This version enable us to do really some very cool things. You can see here some examples from the official websites of Windows Power BI. So let's click on download options, and here we can see some details about the software, some requirements, system requirements, and instructions. So here I'm going to select English as the software language, and here you can see we have the 64 version and the 32 version. So to see which version of Windows do you have, just go to system information. So here I have 64 version, so let's download this. This should take a moment depending on your connection speed. So after the download is completed, just right click and run as administrator and click on yes, and here we select the language of the software. I'm going to choose English, then click on next, and you have to accept the license terms and just click on next, install, and after like 3 to 5 minutes you are ready to go. So you click on finish and the software is launched. And this is the welcome page of Windows Power BI. So you can see that I'm going to click on getting started. So for the email, I'm not going to enter my email, so click on cancel, and I'm going just to try a little example. So just click on try simple data, load simple data, and I'm going to select this data here, financials, and now so on the right I'm going to see the fields available in this data set, and so I'm going to create a little example. So let's just add a line chart with the fields profits and country. So here we should see the profit for each country. Let's add another chart, so let's add a map here. Just click on the map, and let's create another chart which is sales dates, and let's make it by month. And now let's add another chart which is just a filter to filter by country. So let's select this filter. So I'm just organizing these plots here, so you can see when I select a country, the other figures shows the data for that country. For example, here Mexico, and here I'm adding just the title of my reports, and you can here see the final results. Just with a bunch of clicks, we have this very cool results. Thank you for watching.